Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are setting up the ultimate smart kitchen filled with gadgets that will make your cooking easier, faster and more fun. I've got a list of appliances that will totally upgrade your kitchen experience. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about coffee. The DeLonghi all-in-one combination coffee maker is an essential addition. You can brew a full pot of coffee for the whole family, or make yourself a quick shot of espresso for those busy mornings. And if you love lattes or cappuccino, it comes with a built-in steam wand. The best part is you can brew both coffee and espresso at the same time. No more waiting, just perfect coffee whenever you need it. Now let's move on to the Breville Mini Smart Oven. This little guy is perfect for when you don't want to fire up your big oven. Whether you are toasting, baking, or even reheating leftover. The Breville Smart Oven adjusts its heating for whatever you're cooking, so it comes out perfect every time. It is small enough to fit on your counter, but big enough to handle a pizza or batch of cookies. For those family dinners or when you are meal prepping for the week, the Farberware Smart Control Nonstick Jumbo Cooker is a lifesaver. This thing is huge. It holds 6 quarts, so it's perfect for stews, stir fries, or cooking up big batches of pasta. The smart temperature control means your food won't burn, and the non-stick surface makes cleanup super easy. And while we are talking about the Breville Smart Oven, don't forget to grab the Breville Bambo cutting board. It's not just a cutting board, it doubles as a heat-resistant topper for your oven, giving you extra counter space when you are not using it. And Bambo is super durable and looks great in any kitchen. Every smart kitchen needs precision, and that's where the Taer digital kitchen scale comes in. Whether you are baking or just trying to keep an eye on portion sizes, this scale gives you super accurate reading every time. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and makes your kitchen routine so much smoother. Now let's explore air fryers. The Ninja DZ201 DualZone air fryer is an absolute game changer. You can cook two different things at once with different settings. So, if you want fries in one basket and chicken wing in the other, no problem. It has 6 cooking presets like air fry, bake, and roast, making it one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets you will own. If you're looking for a smart all-in-one appliance, the COSORI Smart 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo is what you need. It does everything: air frying, roasting, baking, and also toasting, even dehydrating. And here is the best part: you can control it from your phone with the COSORI app. Still at work, this thing will make you feel like a pro chef in your own home. Mornings are hectic, but the Hamilton Beach Dole Breakfast Sandwich Maker makes breakfast so much easier. Just pop in your ingredients: bread, eggs, cheese, bacon, and it will make 2 delicious breakfast sandwiches in under 5 minutes. Perfect for when you are running out late but still want something hot and fresh. If you are a smoothie lover, the Ninja BL610 professional blender is a powerhouse with a 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology. It will crush ice, frozen fruit, and veggies in seconds. Whether you are making a green smoothie or a frozen margarita, this blender gives you silky smooth results every time. Now, hydration is key in the kitchen, and the ZeroWater 10 cup ready pour 5-stage water filter gives you the cleanest, purest water possible. It removes 99.6% of dissolved solids, so you know you are getting top quality water whether it's for cooking, making coffee, or just drinking straight. It's like having bottled water straight from the tap. And finally, the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker is a must-have for all your cold drinks. It pumps out up to 26 pounds of ice a day, which is perfect for parties or just keeping your drinks chilled. It's fast, efficient, and fits neatly on your countertop. No more running out of ice when you need it. And there you have it, the ultimate smart kitchen setup, from coffee maker to air fryer. These gadgets are designed to make your life easier, your meal tastier, and your kitchen more efficient. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more tips on upgrading your home with smart technology. Thank you for watching. See you next time.